All right, this video is covering simple interest. And all you need to remember is I equals PRT. We'll talk about what all this means. Interest equals principal times rate times time. P stands for principal. That's the amount of money that you're borrowing or that you're spending or that you're putting in a bank. It can be your balance. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you two ways to do this. So this is, let's just go through this. We've got a principal amount of $3,000. It's a loan. So the loan interest rate is 7% and the time to pay off is 5 years. If interest is principal times rate times time, I equals PRT. What is the interest amount for this loan? So the long way of doing this is going to be, you're going to say your interest equals PRT, and you're going to go interest equals 3,000 times 7%. You're going to make your percentage into a decimal, and then you're going to multiply that by 5. And you get an answer, and you're done. All they're asking for is what is the interest amount? This is the interest amount. That's the extra amount of money you would have to pay for borrowing $3,000. So that's a lot of money to spend just for borrowing $3,000. We're going to keep going. Now I'm going to show you have to pay an extra $1,050 to borrow $3,000. I'm going to show you how to use the Desmos calculator for this one. Let me bring it up. So here's how you can do this. You can go I equals PRT, and then you can go P equals, that's your principal. Remember, don't put commas into Desmos. It won't come through. So you're going to just say 10,000. And then your interest rate. There's two ways you can do this. So this is your R. This is your rate. You could make your 5% into a decimal, 0.05. Let's say you forget about that. You could also do 5% of 1, which gives you the decimal. And then you're going to pay it off, the time, you're going to pay it off in 1 year. Let's scroll back up and see what we get, 500 bucks. So you have to pay 500 bucks to borrow $10,000 and pay it off in a year. So let's go through the process. So we substitute in P, R as a decimal, and then the T, and you get 500. So you have to pay 500 bucks to borrow $10,000. We're going to keep going. So I'm going to just show the traditional way to do this again. Your principal is $200,000. Your loan interest rate is 2.3%. You're going to pay it off in 18 years. That's a big, big loan. So you could do I equals PRT, 200,000. You're making your 2.3% into a decimal, sliding it twice to the left, the decimal, multiplied by 18. So it costs you $82,800 just to borrow 200,000. Okay, so we're going to keep going here. So now, here's another problem where we're borrowing 200,000 again, and then your interest rate is 5.3%. Now, it doesn't give the time up here, but it says what's the total amount of money owed if you pay off the loan in 15 years. I'm going to show you how to do Desmos with this. So I'm gonna clear the whole thing. I'm gonna go I equals PRT. My principal amount is 200,000. Remember, I'm not using the comma. My loan interest rate is, I'm gonna go ahead and go 5.3% of 1, and that automatically makes it into a decimal. And then I'm gonna say the time is 15. Now, we have found that it's going to cost $159,000 to borrow $200,000. But that's not what they're asking. They're saying, what's the total amount of money you're going to owe after you pay off the loan? Well, that means we need to take our interest and we need to add it to the principal amount we were borrowing. And since you're using these variables, let's just let the variables do the work for us. I'm going to go interest plus principal, and I get $359,000. So to borrow $200,000, I actually have to pay $359,000 back. So here is the traditional way of doing this. You do your I equals PRT. You get an answer. then you're going to add your principal plus your interest. So you get this, and it's a big amount of money. Costs a lot to borrow $200,000. You have to actually pay back $359,000. We're going to do a few more here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use Desmos. Actually, this one we'll go through real quick here. $600,000 loan, 0.8% APR, paid off in 5 years. So APR stands for annual percentage rate. So this is what they're going to apply every year. So for 5 years. So 6,000 times 0.008, the decimal moves 2 places to the left for 5 years. And so this is your interest, $240. Now, when you borrow $6,000, you actually have to pay back $240 along with it. So you pay $6,240. All right, we're going to do another one here. We're going to use Desmos. So we have $450,000 loan, and here's the interest rate, pretty good interest rate, but you're paying it off in 30 years. Let's see here. We've got I equals PRT. I'm going to go ahead and say my principal is $450,000. My rate R is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and do that trick, 2.5% of 1, and it automatically slides it over for you, the decimal. And then I'm going to do my time is 30. Now they're asking for the total amount of money owed. So right now we know we have to pay this along with this. So I'm going to do I'll do principal plus interest. So down here I'm going to go P plus I. So I'm going to be owing this much money for borrowing $450,000. So in 30 years I'll actually be paying this amount off. It's a lot of money. Okay, so traditionally I equals PRT. We're multiplying them out. You get this. The big mistake is slide that decimal 2 places to the left when making your percentage into a decimal. And then to figure out your total owed, you're going to do principal plus interest. And that's a big amount of money, $780,500. All right, we're going to do a few more. The total balance, if you let this account sit for 10 years, that means you've got some money in the bank, and you're going to let it just sit there for 10 years. Let's see how much money you end up getting back. So with this one, I'm going to go ahead and just show the traditional way. I equals PRT, 450,000 times this. You're sliding that decimal 2 places to the left, and you get this. So wow, in 10 years, you'll have an additional $67,500. That's pretty cool. So the total balance that you'd have, you're going to be adding your principal and your interest, and you get $517,500. Pretty good deal. All right, let's try this one. I'll show Desmos. Let me clear it out. I'm going to do I equals PRT. My principal is $550,000. And this, I have $550,000. I'm putting it in a bank, and my rate is going to be 0.57% of 1. So this is a small rate. So I don't know how much money I'm going to get back. I'm going to let it sit for the time, 20 years. So I'm going to make about $62,000. That's not bad. And then I'm going to go ahead and do principal plus interest, because they're asking for the total balance. So you're taking your principal and you're adding in your interest. And I get $612,700. It's a pretty good deal. Just letting it sit there, you make some money. All right. So here's your principal. Here's your rate. Here's your time. You're multiplying them out. And then you're doing principal plus interest, and you're getting the total balance. All right. That is about it. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.